Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. Hit the subscribe button, join 78,000 people, smash up thumbs up button. I've been doing technical analysis for 21 years. I'm going to show you my thoughts about what's going to happen to Bitcoin. Big congratulations anyone that traded Bitcoin. It pulled back like I said yesterday. Let's see what happens. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the and right now Bitcoin is, we've got gaming tokens pumping, Matic 6%, DeFi, Gala, gaming tokens, FXS up 3%, which is beautiful. We rebought it around here. We're a bit lower, so we're already up. Had a breakout. Let's see what it does. Let's go into Bitcoin. BNB is up 1.6. Bitcoin is pulling back a little bit from yesterday. Bitcoin is, RSI is heading up very strongly from the weekly. So it looks like on the weekly, the RSI is good to go for a lot more. We are in this broadening microphone pattern, which is usually sometimes bearish, but it's more a continuation pattern. So we should break out towards the upside on continuation pattern. For our daily RSI is midway, heading up, not so bad. Going towards the top of this megaphone pattern would be 26,000. We're exactly at a resistance that we predicted, 24,000. This is yesterday's video. I said that I thought it would pull back to this support and that trade would go active. Let's go into the 4 hourly. That trade from the day before hit, which is beautiful. We're on support here on this strong support line going back to here. So on 4 hourly, we can do TA and it looks like it's a bull flag. It's like a bullish pennant or a bull flag, which is a bullish pattern. We're on a strong support. There's a lot of support here. So I would go long actually from this green line, which I talked about in yesterday's video. 4 hourly, we're good to go. On the hourly, RSI is very oversold, so it pulled back enough. But that's in the hourly, we've got a bearish pattern. It's looking like a bearish pattern. This can usually, oh no, it can drop here. It's making high highs, but it's a bit bearish pattern. So I would actually go long from the strongest support, which is here. I would go long from here, 23,163. Going long from there, tight stop loss, going towards the top of the broadening megaphone pattern, which will be a nice risk to reward ratio trade. Those green lines are the resistance or targets. We already hit that target. These green lines, this is the trade. It's risking $182 to make $3,290. Risking $182 to make $3,295 without leverage. With 10x leverage, it'll be $32,000 of profits with just 10x leverage. That's the trade I'll take on Bitcoin. 18 risk to reward, risking 182 to make 3,295 with 10x leverage, 32,000. Opening the trade at 23,163. Which is down there, 23,163. That's the trade setup, right? Where the support was. 23,163. Stop loss is at 22,981. And take profit is at the top. If you 26,459. Make sure your stop loss is never more than 2%. But if you want to take more risk, you can pull it down a little bit. But then there won't be a liquidation spike. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. If you want to trade Bitcoin, under the video, in the description and the pinned comment down below. So under the video, in the description, pinned comment, sign up to Bybit to do your trading. Using that link down there, you get $30,000 worth of bonuses, $30,000 worth when you use that link. And you can also get MCRT on there. You have to do your own due diligence, not financial advice. Pay attention to. I am the founder of MCRT. Play to earn game. Take the crypto master course to learn, and join the free Telegram alerts group as well. There's 7,000 members in there. And that's what I think is going to be happening to Bitcoin. My trade on Bitcoin, $4,200 in the profits. It was like $7,500, so pull back $3,000. But that trade is still open, and I set a bigger buy order. I'm going to add to this buy order at 20. So I'm going to add more to this buy order because I want to stack Bitcoin on the pullback. So where will I add more? I didn't draw that many yellow lines. Some weird thing. It somehow doesn't all tab out. But let's check. So where I said it might pull back to and go long, that's where I want to open the trade to add more to the Bitcoin position in case of pullback. So 23,163. So here I've got an order for 22,500. I'm going to make it 23,163. So Bitcoin will add another 0.8 Bitcoin to the trade when it comes down to 23,163. Then this trade will turn into a 3.4 Bitcoin trade. I'll actually make this more. I'll make it a $23,000 trade addition, which will be $1,000 of margin. So I'll make it 2 Bitcoin. I'll add 2 Bitcoin to that trade at 23,163. So when it pulls back, I'll add 2 Bitcoin there to this trade, which is beautiful. In this account, I have $239,000 in here. I've got 117,000 USD, 10.7 million MCRT, 1.49 Bitcoin in this trading account, which is beautiful. Those are my thoughts on the market. Pay attention to it. Do your own due diligence. Hit the subscribe button. Smash that thumbs up button. Not financial. My thoughts on the market. My technical analysis on the market. Love you all. Congratulations on money you've been making. Make sure you give away 10% each day of what you make to charity. Make sure you're investing. Don't be all Bitcoin. I always diversify. I'm in 7 things: Bitcoin, MCRT, Uniswap, Google, TSM. I want to buy more Tesla, more Google, more Meta. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.